Okay, so when you first log into LeadBlasta, this is what you see once you have some apps already in operation, where you have got your Chrome extensions already uploaded into the Chrome store, and you will see things like the notifications that you're able to deliver. These are push notifications. You can see how many email subscribers, you can see how many banner clicks you've had as well, and you can also see how many times people have clicked on your links for your push notifications. So this is basically the front end dashboard of LeadBlasta after you've been using it for a little bit of time, and when you've already got some Chrome extensions already on the Chrome store, which is really simple to do, and you're getting some traffic to them and people are opting in. Therefore, as soon as they opted in, you can send them push notifications, you can send them email from your autoresponder, which you integrate with LeadBlasta, and also you can send push notifications, which is built into this system here inside LeadBlasta, so that you can basically reach people even if they're giving you a fake email address. Okay, so we've tightened that up now. We don't have that problem anymore, but initially what happened was people were just giving us like temporary email addresses and things like that. Now we have tightened it up that they cannot do that, but even if they could, you could still reach these people with the push notifications on their desktop, okay, which is really important. And we do that as well with rich media push notifications, so you can have a large image there that you are sending to people, so that it's really hard to ignore with your push notification. And also on top of that, we've actually got SMS marketing system in here as well, where we can do broadcasts like you can do with an autoresponder, like an email, and you can do sequences like you would do like an autoresponder email sequences. So that's basically some of the marketing elements that you can see initially as soon as you log in to LeadBlasta.